Thank you for joining us for this video on how to use the Bonstone Granite and Marble Repair Kit. The Granite and Marble Repair Kit includes everything from the natural stone and scratch repair kits, plus gloves and mixing cups. When using any of our products, Bonstone recommends the use of appropriate safety apparel and reviewing safety and technical data sheets. For this repair, you'll need denatured alcohol and a microfiber cloth for preparing the surface, a granite and marble repair kit which comes with last patch diamond, CA glue and activator spray, liquid tints, razor blades, a polish packet, mixing sticks, cups, and gloves. In this video, we'll cover two repair scenarios: repairing a chip using the natural stone repair kit and repairing a small scratch using the scratch repair kit. Both kits are available to purchase separately. Let's get started with scenario 1, repairing a small chip on a honed surface using materials from the natural stone repair kit. To achieve proper results, the surface must be properly cleaned. Pour a small amount of the denatured alcohol on the microfiber cloth and begin wiping inside of the repair area to remove all the dust and loose particles. Start by squeezing out a bead of last patch diamond Part A onto a paper plate or a piece of cardboard. Next, select your tints. Start with a lighter shade of the color you're attempting to match and squeeze a drop onto the plate. Continue this process with each of the tints you'll be using. Using a mixing stick, start with your base color and add a very small amount to Part A and mix for approximately 20 to 30 seconds. Add a small amount of the additional colors to gradually work your way up to the desired color. Be patient with this process. It may take some time mixing different tints to reach the perfect color. A color wheel is included to help you with color matching. Using painter's tape, apply a few pieces to protect the area surrounding the repair. Next, mix a portion of the tinted Part A with equal parts of last patch diamond Part B. Save some of the mixed color in case you need to go back to add lighter or darker colors if your stone has some variation to it. Using the mixing stick, push the mixture into the area needing repair. Make certain all air bubbles are removed by moving the stick back and forth in the material. Next, use a razor blade at a 45-degree angle and remove excess material and make sure the repair is flush with the surface. If your stone has some color variation, you can take small amounts of the extra color mixture and add lighter or darker tints, adding small amounts in different directions using the mixing stick. Remove any excess material. You may need to repeat this process several times until the desired look is reached. Using a clean razor blade, remove the excess glue around the repair, then begin lightly scraping at a slight angle back and forth in a wave-like pattern. You'll start to see a little bit of the material come loose. Gradually apply pressure and continue scraping until it's completely smooth and flush with the surface. Next, we'll show you how to repair a small scratch on a polished surface using materials from the scratch repair kit. Begin by removing the cap of the CA glue super thin and start applying the glue to the scratch or chip. Continue to apply the glue until it starts to overfill. Once the scratch or chip is filled in, open the CA activator spray and shake the can before applying 3 to 4 sprays from approximately 4 to 6 inches away. Let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes or until it's hardened. Using a clean razor blade, start off by lightly scraping at a slight angle back and forth in a wave-like pattern. You'll start to see a little bit of the material come loose. Gradually apply pressure and continue scraping until it's completely smooth. Next, apply a small amount of the Flitz polish to the repaired area. Using a microfiber cloth, rub the polish until it's completely blended in.